Good morning. My name is Walid and I am going to teach you how to make an inspection in the dietary department inside the hospital. As you know, the situation in the hospital is a little bit complicated because we are serving daily meals to the patients. And foodborne diseases affect vulnerable people harder than other groups. Food safety inspections are a key health protection measure applied by governments to prevent foodborne illness. According to the American Food and Drug Administration, that there are about 48 million cases of foodborne illness annually. And each year these illnesses result in an estimated 128,000 hospitalizations and 3,000 deaths. We usually start the inspection from the receiving area. The receiving area should be very clean and nothing should be direct on the floor. Look what I have found here. Garbage direct on the floor beside the food items. And a bag of rice on the floor. It should be kept on pallets. We have to check the fruit's temperature cause it should be cold and fresh during the receiving. All the fruits should be checked one by one to make sure there are no spoiled fruits inside the place and removed from the cardboards to a green and clean baskets. Before you get inside the fridge and freezer, look at the temperature recorder and the daily documents on the door. Check the air curtain above the main doors to keep pests and flies from entering the kitchen. Don't forget to look at the fly killers. They should be clean and working properly in the kitchen. Remember to check the first aid box regularly. Don't forget to check the fire extinguisher in the kitchen. Inside the fridge the temperature should be from 1 to 5 degrees. Make sure to check the fruits regularly inside the fridge and take away the spoiled one. Check the expiry date of the product and make sure that they are following FIFO system. The eggs always should be kept in separated corner to avoid the cross-contamination. Make sure to check the fans inside the fridge to remove all the molds and fungi. It's not allowed to keep any food items direct on the floor. Look at this basket of fish. Make sure to check the expiry date for all the frozen items and they should use FIFO system. Which means the old product should be used before the new product. The temperature inside the freezer must be between -18 to -23 degrees. Here we go again to check another fans, but this time inside the freezer. In the dry store, check the humidity and it must be no more than 55%. No cardboards are allowed in the place. All items should be stored off the floor, away from the walls, well ventilated, clean and properly maintained. Check all the floors and walls during the inspection, and if you see a broken tiles, report it. Hand washing is important. Make sure to teach the staff how to wash their hands properly. Inside the washing area, the dishwasher tank should be between 55 to 60 degrees. And the optimum rinse temperature should be 82 degrees. Check all the cleaning materials and the daily documents, and don't forget all the chemicals should be in separated store. Inside the kitchen, any food items should be labeled to clarify the open date of the products. All the dustbins should be in good condition and with a cover. If you see rust on the surface of a utensil such as a cast iron skillet or knife, remove all the rust before using it. Check all the hoods and the kitchen equipments, it should be clean and not dusty. Make sure the color coding system is active in the kitchen to avoid cross-contamination. There should be a special blender which used only for the special diet like liquid diet and soft diet. Check the oil because cooking oil can be a source for cross-contamination if it used for cooking after a seafood. Check the food temperature for the ready-to-eat meals and avoid keeping the foods in the danger zone between 5 degrees to 62 degrees. Finally, don't forget your like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.